It's arrived. All beat up. Knocked about. I cannot believe there's actually jars of sauce in here. I can't believe there's... I can't believe there's jars of sauce that could be safely delivered here. Wow. Somebody spilled their coffee on it. Tape is... This is really bashed in. And here we go. Let's see if I have a mess to clean up, or if there's... Was I smart enough to not buy jars this time? Just looking forward to the sauces. Oh, well, look at here. They wrapped up their sauces. It's a little wet, you know? Wow, this got wet. This got wet. Oh, how much of it is stuff spilled from... Okay. These are not as full as they usually are. Wow, that's some water damage. Holy crap. I hope the stuff inside is still good. More water damage. Looking forward to this. Looks fun. Yeah, oh, okay. I wonder if this is the one that leaked. With a weird look on it. Or if this is the one that leaked. Well, this one's high and dry. Well, I mean, could be worse. Okay, so one of the witch hazels. One? Oh, wait a minute. Okay, the one that, okay, this one's much lower. You can see which ones have leaked. This one's bubbles up here, and these ones actually have liquid on the top. But at least the sauces were nicely packaged. That looks great. The sauces look amazing. Good job, you guys. I mean, sometimes you just gotta bite the bullet. I mean, maybe it's like, you know, maybe they can someday invent some sugarcane sauce. So yeah, all of these liquid, bubbles, liquid. You can see that this one, and it's all marked up, or the ink. Ooh, I hope it, oh brother, gotta get, crap. I wonder if the witch hazel got into the dates. Oh boy. Oh boy. I hope the witch hazel did. Yeah, it's damp. The box is damp. It's not dripping wet, but the box is damp, which means there was some chemical chemicular each of these has, except for that one. That one's spilled. And I think it spilled on the dates. I think the dates got fumigated. And these definitely got. These definitely got destroyed. Another one. Okay, so it's only just the one. So it's the one. Yay for the jars succeeding. I'm excited for the honey. I'm excited for all of it. But at least, I mean, the jars came successfully. The bags came out successfully. Nothing popped, nothing broke. More honey. 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 Let it go. I'll get some scissors. There we go. Freedom. Okay, honey. Okay, 1 witch hazel and 2 crispy snacks are so far, and the dates. 1 witch hazel, 2 crispy snacks, and the dates are the pearl. Holy Mother of Martie's. I like it.
This was just
So
today?
the casualties, just now.
Wow.
I just
Right
got
when we first
I just got the
talking
email. Just got the email. So the jars are good. They're all nicely wrapped up.
Nice.
That is a concession that we have to make.
Yeah, let's clean up for the rest of the month.
The honeys look good. None of them look like they're leaking in the back on the packages. They all look whole. I don't feel any cracking. You have 2 hands. Do you want to open?
Oh.
Oh, what is this guy? Oh, it's my marmalade.
Yay.
You want to, why don't you move your water bottle? You can crack those open. Okay. All right. And so these guys are dry. They have not been spilled on, and they look amazing. And their expiration dates are in January, May, August. Beautiful. And these bars. Let's see if they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? Ta-da! Good job, you guys. The box says 5. The inside says 5. As much as I would like, everything to be paper, it's not always realistic. And getting the product to the customer. Okay, so you can see where there's a wet spot from the witch hazel, and that's the one of the rose witch hazels. Okay, one of the rose witch hazels. The dates. This rose witch hazel, which you can see, has ink leaking from it, or smearing from it because of the witch hazel's leak. The box of dates is damp. It doesn't look wet, but it feels very cold and damp, just like these. And of course, you can actually see the damage on these guys. But all in all, nice haul.
It's an improvement.
It was a great haul.
I think it was damp from the rain.
No, it was because of this
Oh, the
specific. Because everything else is dry,
Okay.
and it was dripping. It was dripping from the inside out.
Ooh, that's a good cup.
But okay,
Raw honey.
here's Grace opening up the honey. Ooh, it looks pretty. Can I see that one?
It's very honey.
I'm excited because honey is food, but it's also can be used as medicine. Very nice. Ooh, your finger. Ooh, it says salmon. Speaking of salmon, it says, not just for tea. Try adding this to apple slices, Greek yogurt, salad dressing, veggie glaze, salmon, your finger. Just, don't eat your finger while you're doing that. Okay. This is a lovely, lovely. And you said this is the citrus marmalade. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. It's beautiful. I am so gonna try that on the bread and golden wildflower. Okay. So we'll do a report for this, and this. And that's it. Great delivery otherwise, you guys. Good job. Really good job. Bye.